Hi, this is Juliet from REMAX, and today we're gonna check lot 13 in Cuesta Bella. Here you are. So lot 13 starts here and go all the way there, do a little square, and then come back up where this is steep and do the point. So you go all the way along this road we are currently on. You have a more flattened part to build here that you will still need to level up and ground up before construction. And then you can see the ocean. I believe this is Playa Remanso and it will be Playa Hermosa. All that is still part of lot 13. It's way more steep, but probably could do some gardens or some extra cabañas facing the mountain over there. And you go all the way here where there is another road that will be finished to lead to the lots.